Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to convert hexadecimal number to its denary or decimal equivalent. Okay, let's have our first example. Let's say we have 25 in hexadecimal and we want to convert it to denary or decimal number base 10. The conversion is similar to binary to denary or decimal. Okay, we're going to use place values. For hexadecimal number, the place value of the least significant digit is 16 to the 0. Next is 16 to the 1. And if you have another digit here, the place value will be 16 to the 2 and so on. The place values are powers of 16. Okay, so the place values of hexadecimal number starts with 16 to the 0, followed by 16 to the 1, and so on. What we're going to do is we will multiply each digit or hexadigit to its corresponding place value. Okay, so this 5 will be multiplied to 16 to the 0. 5 times 16 to the 0. And this 2 will be multiplied by 16 to the 1. 2 times 16 to the 1. Any number raised to 0 is 1. Okay, so this is equal to 1. And 16 to the 1 is 16. 5 times 1 is 5. And 16 times 2 is 32. And we will just add all these products and we'll have 37. And this is the equivalent denary or decimal number of 25. So we have here 37. Let's have another example, 3a. Base 16, and we want to convert it to base 10. Same procedure. We will multiply this a by 16 to the 0 and this 3 by 16 to the 1. Okay, if we have letters A to F here, we have to convert it to its denary or decimal equivalent. So where A is equal to 10, B is equal to 11, C is equal to 12, D is equal to 13, E is equal to 14, and F is equal to 15. So this A is equal to 10 and we will multiply it by 16 to the 0. And this 3, we will multiply it by 16 to the 1. Again, 16 to the 0 is 1 and 16 to the 1 is 16. So 10 times 1 is 10 and 3 times 16 is 48. So we'll have here 48. And we will add these products. 10 plus 48 is 58. So therefore, 3a base 16 is equivalent to 58 base 10. Or 3a in hexadecimal is equal to 58 denary or decimal number. So that's it. In our next video, I will show you how to convert hexadecimal to binary number and vice versa. So see you in the next video.